The Victorio stainless steel steam juicer is the kitchen item that many people don't know they need. Using the steam juicer is easy and fun. You'll soon be creating delicious juices with fresh, natural produce. Here's how it works. Fill the bottom pot with water. This is where the action happens. Steam from your boiling water rises through the middle of your juice kettle and reaches the colander, which is filled with your favorite produce to be juiced. Then the juice drips from the colander and is collected in the juice kettle, where you can harvest the juice through the silicone juicing tube. Use the clamp to release your juice. As juice is extracted, your produce will shrink in size within the colander. Add more produce as needed. You can also use the large capacity stock pot for soups, roasts, and more, and easily steam vegetables by combining the colander and the stock pot. You'll enjoy the many juice combinations and recipes you can invent as you become an expert steam juicer. Contact Victorio for more information on our steam juicers, as well as any other great Victorio kitchen products.